One time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your...
What's going on, guys? Welcome to FX220. This is Oussama, expert forex trader and mentor, and in this quick and short video we will discuss something that I've received many questions in regards of, which is the market sessions indicator. So a lot of people had sent me messages regarding the market sessions indicator and why do we use it, what's its own goal, what's its own benefits. Some people have told me, like, I don't see the need of using the market sessions indicator, and in this video I will explain to you exactly why do we use it and why its advantages and why it can help us significantly. Alright, this will hugely improve your trading when you really know how to follow it. So to start off, for the people that don't know the market sessions indicator, it's basically these colorful boxes that you see on my charts. This blue one represents Asian session. This white one represents the London session, mainly all the European session, London and Frankfurt and Paris combined. And it goes, the European sessions ends in the middle of the NY session, which is represented here by the red color. It starts from here, ends here. I will leave a link of how to set up this indicator on your chart, the exact same way that I have it on my charts. I'll leave it a link on the description, or you can check it out on the right side of your screen. So go set it out and then come back and watch this video. So first off, why do we use it? Why do we need to know the timings of the different market sessions? The number one reason why is because we want to know the openings and the closings of the sessions, because a lot of times there are going to be a lot of false moves, stop hunts. They will mostly happen at the openings and closes of the sessions. So if you can see right here, if you are trading around this time, we will be aware that London session will open in the next few candles. So we'll be expecting some kind of a false move, especially if there is news. All right, because the volume will kick in when we got news and something will happen with the markets. Same thing goes to the start of the New York session. Keep in mind, this was Friday, so market was kind of quiet. We will go back all the way to the charts and try to gather as many reasons why you use this indicator. So let's take this for example, this day right here. This particular day is a perfect example on why do we use this indicator. Notice how Asian session here was quiet and it was consolidating. So now London open and Paris open are about to open, so we kind of expect that it's gonna be some kind of a false move, especially if there is news, a false move, a stop hunt, something like that. And this is what exactly happens. We broke down below this Asian range. You can see it. This was the Asian range, and at the start of the European session we broke that to the downside. All right, and this is exactly what a false move is, because breakout traders will go short from here. And notice how market went up again, so reversal traders will go up again. All right, and they will both lose money before market then falls down again with this candle, which looks like a retest of this daily level, and more of the breakout traders will go short. And look what happens, they give them another red candle here, so they take more entries short, more order shorts, and then boom, they finally reverse to the real direction. All right, we as traders, as FX220 followers, we know these tricks. We know exactly what market makers are going to do, and with these indicators it will help us determine exactly where these moves will happen, because we know that we are at the start of the European session. We're expecting some kind of a false move or stop hunt, consolidation, whatever, to kind of put panic and induce traders to take orders long and short or whatever and trap them, then leave. As you can see here, market after that, after the opening of the European session, went up until the start of the New York session. Same thing, exactly like this. What do? The start of the New York session, that they push the market to the opposite direction for another false move or a stop hunt, because if traders have entered at this time, they will probably trade their stops here, alright? So market makers come back, trigger their stops, take them out, and then boom, continue again. Especially if you have news around this time. This may be a news release, so notice how they utilize this as a false move. Some traders would think this, okay, this market is reversing. We see like a triple top or a head and shoulders here, and they expect the market that it's going to fall all the way down here. They go short, then boom. But this indicator would be aware that we are at the start of the New York session, and we'll be expecting like some false moves. And you can find this pattern repeat itself many times again, okay? Markets are always repeating themselves. We can go back and kind of find some examples in a trending market in a proper condition. Look at this, same thing here. This was the Asian range. Look at it, if we have to extend it. What happens? Open of the London session, take the market down to the opposite direction, stop traders, induce them to go short, do whatever their games, then boom, reverse again, go up. But one more time, at the start of the New York session, they do another false move, another stop hunt. Okay, many traders will lose money here because they say, all right, I'm long, but why the market is coming down? It's because you are trading at the start of New York session, and this is where most of the false moves will happen. Okay, if you understand this, you will know perfect. Imagine if you didn't have this indicator. Let's just take it off for a minute. Look at this. You won't be able to see anything. Okay, you see markets are trading, all right, going down, up, but you won't be able to get any idea, or you won't be able to recognize how the market moves and its patterns. Same thing with the previous example. If we go back, all right, you won't be able to see anything. If you would put the sessions timings by yourself, it would be exhausting, and you won't do it over time. You would put a line here, then you wait for London to open, then you put a line here, then you put, and you can't analyze these sessions if you want to. But this indicator, with one click, you would know, like, you would get all the different personalities of the sessions. If you keep looking at blue here, you would notice that this blue, which means the Asian session, it's always calm and it's always consolidating. Look at this, here, here, and here again. And you would find it like countless of times. Here, small moves, notice here, consolidating, consolidating. It's mostly dead. So now you draw a conclusion in your head that, okay, at this particular time, at the Asian session, markets are usually dead, all right? This conclusion, you can get it only by using this indicator, because if you look at naked charts like this, you won't be able to get the hints that the market is giving you. Also, you will use them to study the personalities, the different personalities of the sessions. Which sessions trend longer, which session is stronger, which session have more volume. Notice here how the New York session is mostly strong. It's always like have bigger moves. Also the London session. So you would know that the most lucrative sessions are the London, the European, and the NY session. You would know that the Asian session is mostly dead, and this is the dead time of the day, which is late New York session and start of Asian session. If you look at it across every day, you would see that markets are dead around that time because they're mostly closed. Notice here, close of NY, start of Asia. It's dead. How would you know that? Here again. How would you notice this pattern if you didn't have this indicator? So you get what I'm saying, guys? You would see only stuff like this. But when you get this indicator, it's a powerful tool. It will tell you, dude, this is the reason why markets are dead, because of the timings. All right. So when I recommend you guys to use this, it's not just to decorate your charts with colors. It's for a reason. This will make you a better trader. This. Notice here, same thing. Late New York, start of Asian session, dead, then consolidation of Asian session, then boom, false move, stop hunts at the start of the European session and go up, and then another false move. Look how when market makers want to reverse the market, if this is their real direction, look what they would do at the start. They would go up. They would induce traders to go up. All right. Traders will think this is continuation. We broke the previous high. We're going up, but then boom, take the markets down, stop them out. So you can only master the different personalities and the patterns of the sessions only if you use this indicator. Otherwise, you won't be able to see anything. Another example, you can see it all the time. False moves, another false move during New York. Even those the smallest candles you see here, these 3 candles here, this will make traders like wonder. They will say, okay, we went long, what's happening? Especially if you don't use an indicator like this, you wouldn't recognize that. Okay, we went long, why the market is not going long? Why? Because it's exactly at the start of the New York session. That's why. You would be expecting false moves. All right. I did trade this trade and I rode it comfortably without any problems because I'm familiar with that. I know it. You can see it on and on and on. It just repeats itself. Look at this, dead. This is dead area, then boom, Asian consolidation. False moves, stop hunts. This is what I mean by stop hunts. If you got short here, that means you got the overall direction right. All right, you're still right in your direction. You're still right on your bias. You are short in the euro, but you didn't do it at the perfect time, at the best time, which is you should have waited because we have our European session is going to open in a few candles, and you'd expect false moves and stop hunts. If you entered here, you'll probably put your stop here, they stop you out, boom, and they fall down. You wouldn't know this if you weren't using the indicator. You'd be like, what the hell just happened, man? All right. And another time, another false move, start of NY, then boom, drop. So you kind of see, guys, my point here. I highly recommend you to go and try this on your charts. There are many reasons why we use this great indicator. We use it to detect, to determine the false moves, the stop hunts, the consolidations. We use it to study the patterns, sessions, and their personalities, and the patterns that keep repeat themselves. We use it to know the volatility, which sessions are more volatile than the other, and also to know what are the best times to be trading and the best times not to be trading. So you get my point here, guys. So all right, traders, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. I want you to smash the like button right now, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Comment below what you think. Also make sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and join our Facebook group, guys. All right, I will leave the link in the description. You can get all your questions answered there if you have any. And if you're looking for a complete program that's going to transform your trading, guys, and taking you from being a non-profitable trader to being a complete profitable trader that knows how the market moves and making consistent profit in the markets, I'm currently taking in students for the one-on-one mentoring program. So if you're interested about that, you can contact me on Facebook or Instagram, and I will provide you all the information about it. All right. So thank you very much. Until next time, good luck and good trading. This is FX220.